Students, in this video, we will discuss chemical equilibrium. Before going to study in detail about chemical equilibrium, we must know what is meant by reactants and products. Students, we know during a chemical reaction, some substances combine to form new substances. Right, students? The substances which combine to form are known as reactants, while the new substances which are formed during the course of chemical reaction are known as products. We will understand this concept by writing a general reaction. For example, if we have a reaction in which A and B, they are reactants. A and B are reactants. Right, students? They are combined together and they will form C and D. C and D are the products. Now students, in this reaction, A and B, they are combined together to form C and D. So that's why A and B, they are reactants. A and B are reactants, right students? Since C and D are formed after the combination of A and B, these are the new substances which are formed, right students? So these substances are known as product. They are products. So in a complete chemical reaction, reactants are completely consumed and converted into product. Those reactions in which reactants are completely consumed and converted into products are known as irreversible reaction. Irreversible reaction. Irreversible reactions. Students, what are irreversible reactions? These are the reactions in which reactants are completely consumed and converted into products. Such reactions are known as irreversible reactions. While on the other hand, we will observe there are some reactions which do not go for completion because the products which are formed during the course of reactions recombine together to form reactants. Such reactions in which products recombine to form reactants are known as reversible reactions. Reversible reactions. Reversible reactions. So it means, students, based upon the tendency of a reaction to be reversed or not, we have two types of reactions: irreversible reactions as well as reversible reactions. Now students, we will study in detail about both the types of reactions. First of all, we will study about reversible reactions, irreversible reactions. Now students, we will discuss irreversible reactions. We must know what are irreversible reactions. The chemical reactions in which products do not recombine to form reactants are called irreversible reactions. It means these are the reactions which cannot be reversed under the same reactions same conditions of reactions. In these reactions, products do not recombine to form reactants. That's why these reactions are known as irreversible reactions. These reactions are usually represented with the help of single arrow. Usually we represent these reactions with the help of single arrow. Now students, we will see an example to understand irreversible reaction. For example, reaction of sodium metal with water. If we add sodium, react sodium with water, right students, we get sodium hydroxide, which is also known as caustic soda, as well as hydrogen gas. Now the tendency of hydrogen to react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium and water is negligible at room temperature. यानी रूम टेम्परेचर पे जिसमें सोडियम और वाटर ने आपस में रिएक्शन करके सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और हाइड्रोजन बनाया. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस रिएक्शन सोडियम एंड वाटर, they are reactants. What are the reactants, students, in this reaction? Sodium and water, they are reactants. Right students? Reactants. While sodium hydroxide and hydrogen, these are the products of reaction. Now the products of this reaction, that is hydrogen and sodium hydroxide, they are unable to react and form sodium as well as water at room temperature. Since products do not recombine to form reactants, that's why this reaction is irreversible reaction. It cannot be reversed. Now students, we will discuss some of the important characteristics of irreversible reactions. Irreversible reactions के क्या खास characters होते हैं? The first important character is the irreversible reactions, they proceed in one direction. It means they are unidirectional. The first character is they proceed in one direction. In one direction, it means they are unidirectional. Reactants are converted into product and reaction is automatically stopped. The second important character is they go to completion. They go to completion. They go to completion. It means reaction, in these reactions, reactants are converted into product and reaction will be stopped. The third important character is these reactions are generally fast reactions. So they are generally fast. They are fast reactions. Right students? And the next important character is there is no equilibrium stage during these reactions. So we can say there is no equilibrium state. Equilibrium state. There is no equilibrium state during irreversible reaction. I hope characteristics of irreversible reactions are clear to you students. Now students, we will discuss what are reversible reactions. As the name shows, reversible, it means these reactions, they have ability to reverse under the same conditions of temperature and pressure. यानी ये वो reactions होते हैं जो given condition में reverse हो सकते हैं. They have tendency to reverse. In reactions में product are recombined together and form reactants. Reaction के दौरान जो product बन जाता है वो आपस में recombine होने के बाद दोबारा से reactants बना देता है. Right students? So we will learn about reversible reactions. The chemical reactions in which products recombine to form reactants are called reversible reactions, or we can say a reaction which proceed in both the directions, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन एज वेल एज इन रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. यानी ये वो रिएक्शंस होते हैं जो दोनों डायरेक्शन में प्रोसीड करते हैं, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में एज वेल एज रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में, अंडर द सेम कंडीशंस. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, such reactions are known as reversible reactions. Since these reactions are reversible reactions, so that's why these reactions never go to completion. They will never go to completion. Usually reversible reactions are represented by the help of double arrow. We use double arrow to represent reversible reaction like this. Double arrow is used to represent reversible reactions. All the reversible changes, either they are physical changes or either they are chemical changes, they occurs simultaneously in both the direction. Now students, we will see some examples of physical changes as well as chemical changes. First of all, we will discuss physical changes.